Hello everyone. In this video, I will discuss about the Verilog code of 2 is to 1 mux. And in this Verilog code, we use the behavioral modeling. So we write the 2 is to 1 mux code in the behavioral model. So first we write first we draw the circuit diagram of the 2 is to 1 mux. So in the 2 is to 1 mux, there is two input I0 and I1 and one select line and output that is represented by I0 S bar plus I1 S. So when the select line is 0, the output is Y equal to I0, and when the select line is 1, the output is I1. Now comes to the behavioral modeling. So in the behavioral modeling, style is very similar to the structural and data modeling, but there is slightly different. There is some condition, and depending on that conditions we write the Verilog code. So first write the module, and the name of the module is mux underscore 2, and write the input and output. So here input is I0, I1, S, and output is Y. Now differentiate input, and then in this case the input is represented by wire. So input wire I0, I1, S, and semicolon. So when we write the Verilog code, so all this input is represented by wire, because this forms the connection between input and output. So all the input is represented by wire and all the output is represented by registers when we write the Verilog code. But when we write the test bench, all this input is represented by the register and all the output is represented by the wire. So there is slightly difference between the input and output. When we write the Verilog code, all the input is represented by the wire and the output is represented by the register or reg. But when we write the test bench, all the input represented by the reg and the output is represented by the wire. So output res y. So in the behavioral modeling, we use some additional keywords like always, at the rate, bracket. Inside the bracket we write all the parameters which change the output, because in the mux there is I0, I1, and S, which will change the output Y. So all this parameter is called the sensitivity list, and this sensitivity list is right under the bracket using the keyword always. So write in this way, always at the rate, and write all the sensitivity parameter inside this bracket. Okay, then begin and write the condition if bracket S. So this type of S is represent the value of S. So if simply written S, because this S represent the select line, if we write in simple form S, so this represent the value of S is equal to 1. Okay, so if the value of the S is 1, then the output Y equal to I1 according to the circuit diagram I have already discussed. When the select line is 0, output is I0. When the select line is 1, output is I1. Same thing is written here. If apply the condition S is equal to 1, if S is 1, then output Y equal to I1, then semicolon, else output is I0, because if this condition is satisfied, your output is I1. If condition is not satisfied, your output is I0. Then use the AND. This AND basically used for this begin, and after that use the AND module. This AND module basically used for, because we have started with the module, and this keyword is used for AND the module. So this thing basically represent the behavior of your code. Okay, so in the 2 is to 1 mux, there is one select line, and depending on the select line, your output has been changed. Your output must be I0 or I1 depending on the select line. So in this if conditions, you can write in this way, if S equal to 1. So this is also represent the value of the S equal to 1. Okay, if this value is satisfied, your output will be y equal to I1. If this value is not satisfied, your output I equal to y equal to I naught. Then and this module. Now comes to the test bench. Test bench of this code is also similar to the previous one. Just write the module, then the module name underscore tb bracket close, then semicolon. Then all the input is represented by reg. I naught I1 s is the input, and the output y is represented by the wire. And then call the module. The name of the module is written here, mux2. So call this module. This is called the instantiation, mux underscore 2. Write the random variable u1. Then write all the input and output in this manner. Dot I naught bracket dot I1 bracket I1 dot s bracket s dot y bracket y, and finally close the bracket and then semicolon. Then initial begin and give the conditions or input. I naught equal to 1 bit 0, I1 equal to 1 bit, this is also 0, and give the value of the select line 1 bit 0, and then give the 2 nanosecond delay, and then change the value. Then again give the 2 nanosecond delay, again change the value of the select line, because we check the output at the different select line and the different value of the inputs. Then again give the 2 nanosecond delay and change the value of I1. Then again give the 2 nanosecond and finish semicolon, then end, and then end module. Okay, so this is the simple test bench of the 2:1 mux. Okay, thank you.